wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
What's up? The boy Jambisco back in the music lab with another banger. Yo guys, you see what we're doing today? Yeah man, we're back in the music lab with we're talking about Mr. Dark, you know. Mr. One Budo Chop. Yeah, see me and say Mr. Calm C, Mr. Rough C, Mr. One of our favorite artists to react to over here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, I'm talking about none other than Kraff, you know what I'm saying? Today we're back in the building with Kraff, guys, and today we got this is a song I thought I reacted to already, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of songs that I haven't gotten to that I'm getting around, guys, because we got so much artists to react to, man, and you know what I'm saying? But whenever I get a chance to get the music, I'm gonna get to them and I'm gonna react to them, man. And this one I thought I reacted, but this one is Kraff, IMMORTAL. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll be reacting to some of these on lives and be forgetting or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to check it out. I think I've gotten a lot of requests to do this song. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to check it out and see what I got to do with it. Don't know. We like to react to Kraff over here. Kraff been doing this thing, man. Real big giant now the game right now. You know what I'm saying? One of the hottest new artists in dancehall. You know what I'm saying? Anything is veteran years now. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy to say Kraff been around 2 going on 3 years now. Yeah, man. So Kraff are doing thing, man, you know what I'm saying? And you see me, we excited to check out his artwork, you know what I'm saying? Check out the music and the music video them when you enjoy, you know what I'm saying? But this one been out for like a couple months, a good 8 or so months, you know what I'm saying? And I can't believe I have reacted, man. We listen to so much music over here, you know what I'm saying? And when a song drops, you know, I always think, yo, I'm gonna react to it right about. Sometimes you don't get around to it and then you end up forgetting about it because of other songs that come out, you know what I'm saying? But don't trust me, once I remember that, yo, we didn't do a song, I check on, yo, wait, we didn't react to it, I'm gonna get it done, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, guys, so I'm not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. I tell you, we're back in the music club with Mr. Dark and Mr. One Budo Chop. Yes, me know and Kraff, and this one is entitled IMMORTAL. I'm not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. Let's get it. Babylon Siren go on like what she was doing, bro. What she was doing? Why did you have to, my G?
Which would be worse? To live as a monster and die as a good man.
It's a Budo Chop. What you did? Are you gonna rob somebody, dog? Oh, go on.
Chippy animatic and belly full of pill.
That's starting to sound hard, man.
Immortal, you know that you order a mount blank. You see chain a gold, that phone ring next to that. She want dick in throat back, I'm even the owner.
Man say, yo, see ya the phone, yo, the man say, see the chain a gold, that phone ring another, hold that. Dick in throat back, I'm even the owner. How the blood? Hey, come on.
Rim tank fee portal by Trojan night total. Bow them, feel bad, all Kogan watch program. Live 6 pants, send 5 man with 4 pan with 2 van. They want a pussy, a tampon, a baby.
Man say, bow them bad. Watch program, send 6 man with 5 pan. Hold on, can I pull that up, bro? Hey, well, yo, come on, this part hard right here, bro. When I be pulling up songs, I be ending up getting in trouble. You know what I'm saying? Because the copyright. But let's see what's going on, man. I want to hear that part again. That's crazy.
She want dick in throat back, I'm even the owner. Brim tank fee portal by Trojan night total. Bow them, feel bad, all Kogan watch program. Live 6 pants, send 5 man with 4 pan with 2 van. They want that.
Man say, bow them. Bow them feel bad, all Kogan watch program since. So 6 pants with 5 man with 4. Yo, the man snapped on that. That's crazy. Y'all need to pull that up and listen to it.
A pussy, a tampon, a baby, a pampas, yeah, this me, I yeah. Breaking on me pocket and I never something slim. Chipping a the matic and the belly full of pill. Can't feel dog mounted up in a me ring. Car skate half that a 20 panny rims. Who that a ass if it's
can't feel dog that enough a dopey pan me ring. Yeah, car skate tab that are 20 panny rims. I want to
sin. Who that a call panny line is a mill. Who that attack yo kill a quiet him.
The man say, yo, who that a call panny line is a mill. Yeah, see me who that attack, killer, quiet him.
Ratchet up, PK, play like a violin now. Sin is life, rich is right, just like Mike in his prime. Mix this beat with these.
Why this man just like saying, bro? Why this man just stop like saying, bro? Kraff, what are you doing, bro? Come on, man.
Rhymes I've been balling all night. Got this switch on my line, got this bitch on my line. Rolly, watch it, tell time it don't take that shit glad. 20 on my neck, bro, you see that drip shine. Niggas on death row, don't play with your life. We got Glocks, we got Draco 16 with the size. So me shoot it.
Niggas on death row, don't play with your life. We got Glock, we got 16, got Dracos, don't play. Hey, be yourself, my youth. Hey, come on.
I say so, fuck down, you get sniped. On my head is no halo, I'm sinning for life. Sinning for life.
So that's why I got the devil horns on, man. Man, see on my head ain't no halo. I'm sinning for life. I got the devil horns. Hey, shut up.
I'm sinning for life. Fell in love with the pain, in love with these chains, in love with these whips, I'm in love with the game. Weed I be smoking some different type strain. Girl I be stroking some different type game. Me have some different type of demon. Them I whisper every second. Wanna ask her when me dip and wanna tell me load the whip.
Sure, come on, bro. Come on. Nobody out the craft. You know, bringing that down, man. Wilding. But I get it, you know what I'm saying? He be trying to show you we all have a good and a bad side, you know what I'm saying? And some people tap in to the good side more than bad, and some people tap into them bad more than good, and then you have some people that's balance, you know what I'm saying?
Pan, blinking at me right and got your life in a me left hand. Sin and stay strapping I that brain trapping I pass. So me roll with a blicky couple sin and I care amount of people for dead, me don't even know where to start.
Sin and stay strapping I dark brain trapping I pass couple. Hey man, come on, you know what I'm saying? You know, these internal fights, I think that's what a lot of people gravitate to Kraff, man. You know, you'd be dealing with a lot of these internalized fights people be dealing with. A lot of people in like Caribbean countries and also don't really like to admit or talk about, you know what I'm saying?
Brick in my pocket and I never something slim. Chip in a the matic and the belly full of pill. Can't feel dog mounted up in a me ring. Car skate half that a 20 penny rims. Who that a ass if it's in a still a sin? Who that a call penny line is a mill? Who that attack your killer quiet
team? Yo, I'm Theo Ratchet in a
Ratchet up PK play like a violin now.
Yo, I'm Theo man. Yo, Kraff bad in a dog. Kraff a bad artist, bro. Man, mad creative, bro. Come on.
Sin is life. It is right.
I saw that a while ago, the eyes, bro. That was wild.
Dark on last night. Dark on before, man.
Dark on last night. You see me and say, yeah, dark on the before. Shit, come on.
Immortal, you know that, he order a month blank. You see chain a gold that, phone ring next to that. She want dick in throat back, I'm even the owner. Brim tank fee portal by Trojan night total.
Oh them. You feel bad. Come in there, I love this part of this lyrics right here, crazy.
Them feel bad, all Kogan watch program. Live 6 pants and 5 man with 4 pan with 2 van. Fi one dan, a pussy, a tampon, a baby, a pampas.
The man said like 6 pan with 5 man with 4 pan. Yo, watch program for one dan. Yo, it's crazy. Yo, man, that shit hard as shit, bro. If y'all listen to it and get it, y'all get how hard that shit is, bro.
Yeah, this me and you're dead bad. Sin is life.
6 pants with 5 man.
Which is right.
With 4 pan.
It's on yesterday. Dark on last night.
Yeah, you're dead bad. No, I'm Tia man. Man say, yo, left 6 pants with 5 man with 4 pan. 3 something with 2 1 ends, yeah, for 1 done. Man, kill it, bro. I love that lyrics. Me just like pull it up because that shit always be tagging my videos and shit when I do that.
True, man. That I seen.
Definitely.
Breaking on my pocket and I never something slim. Chipping at the matic and the belly full of pill. Can't feel dog mounted up in a me ring. Car skate half that a 20 penny rims. Who that a ass if it's in a still
a sin. Now I'm Theo dog. Violin, no.
Who that a call penny line is a mill. Who that attack your killer quiet him. Ratchet up PK play like a violin now.
No, I never doing anything. No, I never invested. No, I never is involved in some of the best dancehall works that have been put out in the past couple year or two, no cap. So is Shane Creative and King Cam. You know what I'm saying? Real shit. That man's involved in some masterpiece. The man says, sin is life, rich is right, poor is wrong, richer than yesterday, darker than last night. Robo boo, what you mean, man? I want to you. Poor is wrong, rich is right. You see me? I say mad. Facts, you know what I'm saying? Facts. Yeah, man, guys, I like that. You know what I'm saying? You don't know that's Kraff. You see me? It's a one Buddha chap. It's a dark, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, that was his song, Immortal. Very dope track. I think this is one of the best songs. This is one of the best songs Kraff did. Very lyrical. The whole feel and everything. The mood, the ambience, the journey. They take you on a trip. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I like this track a lot. Like this track a lot from Kraff. So, Kraff, keep it up with the great work, man. Really dope track. And this track really talk about, like, you know what I'm saying, the internalized. I think that's why people gravitate to a Kraff guy. Deal with all this internalized fight that people are doing it. Because, you normally hear when people talk about like outwardly fights, you know what I'm saying, they be dealing with whether it's people or things or whatever outside of them. But, Kraff deal with a lot of this internalized fight and internalized problems that people be going through that they don't talk about a lot, especially like Jamaican culture or island culture, you know what I'm saying. We don't talk about the people that will be dealing with internalized fight like depression and just like guilt and, regret. The sadness, just all stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Kraff really do a good job portraying that, man, talking about tough stuff like that and topics like that, and giving that feel that people looking for, you know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Kraff, man, real dope track, man, you know what I'm saying? We like listening to Kraff, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. What was your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody? You already know what time it is, man. Let's chop it up, let's start a conversation, and let's just vibe on, you know what I'm saying? If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know it's a Jambisco and send you don't know what time it is, man. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, man. Really dope track. Kraff, big up yourself. Guys, that Mafia, big up yourself, man. Let me know, guys, what y'all want me to do to improve the channel and make the channel better. Whether it's the intro, the videos, whatever it is, let me know what you want me to do to improve the channel and make the channel better. I'm trying to grow over here, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make give y'all better videos so you guys are more entertained and more tuned in and all that. You know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comment section any suggestions. I'm willing to hear y'all suggestions and work with y'all. So let me know what's going on, man. How can I improve the channel? I want to get a new camera, guys. You see me? So hopefully I can, get a new camera soon. If you want to help out the channel, definitely check out the description where you can help us. You can hit us on Cash App, I believe PayPal and all that. You can also help us with super thanks, super chats, all that. We're doing the lives, I'm doing the lives and doing the premiere. So yeah, man, guys, you don't know that Mafia is a, I was here with another banger, it's not lit videos. I enjoy making these videos for you. I hope y'all enjoy. So till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.